All right, here's another model. This time we have the Academy 1/72nd scale U.S. Navy fighter F4 F-4. Now, if anybody would explain the numbers to me, I would appreciate it. So I got this at the Mid-South Hobbies, our local hobby shop here, and I think it was like $7. It was 25% off of either $9 or $11. I don't remember which one. And then I got 25% off the P51 D/K Mustang. Actually, it says P51D on the box. So here we go. This one actually was still bagged up where the other one wasn't. So we'll take a look at it here. Let's see. I don't want to take it out of the bag yet, really. But here's the fuselage, the clear pieces. Looks like the wheels and tires. Other side of the fuselage. Stabilizers. Bombs. This thing has big bombs. There's the little guy in there. Let's see what else is on the other side. I don't know if that's the gear here or what it is, to be quite honest with you. Maybe we'll look at the instructions and see. Here's the wings, a stand, the other side of the wings, yeah. Propeller, cowling, I don't know what this is. Not sure what that is. Let's look at the instructions and see if we can see. Here's the instructions for it. F4 F-4. Ooh, blue-gray. I may have to buy some blue-gray paint because this, the box art looks really cool in this one. If I'm not mistaken, the instructions are really cool in this one too. Blue, gray, and white. Man, white. And silver I don't have an issue with, but white. Maybe it was the just the Junkers model, but it seemed kind of chalky. It ended up looking fine. It looks really good, but it just felt chalky. I don't know. Maybe that's why white. Well, this looks really cool because it seems pretty simple. There's number 1, the pilot, the controls, and the seat. 2 looks like no, that's not the cowling. I can't remember what that's called. Oh, that is the landing gear. Oh, darn. Dang, that little skinny thing is the landing gear. Don't glue the tires, what, so they'll spin? Putting the fuselage together, some pieces. Wow, this is like a little simple kit. This will be cool. Wings, propeller, there's the cowling. This might be a super cool kit. I guess maybe it just has one bomb. Oh no, it says ×2. Okay. I think that's what it means, you do it twice. And then we've got, I guess that's the option of whether you want the landing gear on there or not. I guess that will depend on whether I break the landing gear. And then putting the last touches on there, the propeller and the stand. Huh. This looks like a really cool kit. I have to look for another one next time I go there. I mean, something like this, but maybe a different model. This one is from 1987, I think is what Scalemate said. Anyway, we'll get started on this one also at some point.